distance count label.
Okay, class, now that we've got the Paris Map Tour walkthrough done, let's do our assignment for Chapter 6, which is going to be a modification of this app such that we are going to find hiking tours around Salt Lake City. So trailheads in Salt Lake. And we're going to do two things. Instead of just showing the street view, we're going to show the map too, so we're going to give the user the option. And the first thing we probably need to do is copy this so we don't go and destroy it. So if I go to Save As, and we're going to call this My Favorite Hikes.
And use the sound component to make it vibrate, which we've done before. And then we'll.
And now we're going to. It'll take just a second, and you'll see it change up here. Before we go and mess with it, let's just make sure it changes. My Favorite Hikes, perfect. So let's change the title. And let's change this. We don't want to say Discover Salt Lake City Hikes. Okay, and let's do choose hike. Alright, so now we've got all this, and one other thing is I want to add a checkbox underneath that says, let's make it as wide as the parent. And we want it to say not test checkbox, but show map to hike. To trailhead, that's better. And I think I want to put some spaces in here. Yeah, there you go. And let's make it bold. Alright, favorite hikes, blah blah blah, all this looks good, but this image has got to go. So let's delete that, say OK, and let's go to public domain clip art. And let's find something that's hiking related. Search. I'm going to grab this one. Alright, that's good. Let's do save image as recreation hiking trail. Great. It's on my desktop. Good. So if we come back here, let's change the image picture, upload a file, choose one, and go to my desktop. Recreation sign, fine. Say OK. And that's a huge sign. Let's see how it looks on our screen over here as it comes up, and it should fill it in just right. Excellent. Okay, so we've got everything we want here. That's good. Now what we need to do is we need to go in and start finding ourselves some hikes. And also we need to have the logic to say when we're going to show the trailhead and we're going to show the street view. So let's go back to our blocks. And let's look what we have here. Oh boy. So we're going to get rid of this. We don't need this at all. And also the activity starter is going to do something depending on a checkbox. So let's just move that and put a control in here and say if else. So we'll say if the checkbox 1 is checked, that means it wants to show the map. Then we're going to put the activity starter in and do it one way. And if not, we're going to do it another. So let's duplicate it. And we always want to have it start the activity. But the thing is, if it's checked, we want to show the map URIs, and if it's not checked, we want to show what we're showing currently. So if it is checked, we want to change this, so we're going to need a whole new list here. So let's just copy this, duplicate, we'll put this down here, I'll move it up a little bit, and we don't want to call this destination, we want to call this maps. Or, yeah, directions, that's better. Okay, and we're going to just go and change all of the values that are in here. So let's get rid of this, we'll put it back, and we're going to change it to maps, directions. So now, after picking, if it's checked, then we're going to use the directions list, and if it's not checked, we use data URI list.